On today's video, we're going to replace this bad control circuit board on this Amana PTAC. This board is completely dead. So we do have power to the unit. So let's go ahead and power it down. So let's go ahead and open it up. And right here behind the display panel, we have two 1/4-inch screws. Go ahead and remove those. Right here on our board, we have a relay that popped, high voltage relay. So we have to replace the circuit board. Go ahead and get started. You can order a new board, but we found a board that still works from a condemned unit, so we're going to go ahead and use that one. It's always good to take a picture of your board before you do this, and then just pull each wire off and put it on the board one by one. It's the easiest way to do it. Just make sure you put the wire in the exact same terminal you pulled it from the old board. That's why it's good to take a picture. That way you can always go back to your picture just in case. Just remove 4 1/4-inch screws holding the board down. Okay, let's see here. Okay, we'll put it on heat. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.